Small PC support businesses are facing a tough challenge in 2023. The pandemic has accelerated the adoption of cloud computing, remote work, and online services, which means less demand for on-site technical support and hardware maintenance. At the same time, the competition from big tech companies like Microsoft, Apple, and Google is increasing, as they offer more integrated solutions and customer service for their products. How can small PC support businesses survive and thrive in this changing landscape? One possible strategy is to focus on niche markets and specialized services that big tech companies cannot or will not provide. For example, some small PC support businesses may cater to specific industries or sectors that have unique needs or regulations, such as healthcare, education, or government. Others may offer customized solutions or personalized advice that big tech companies cannot match. Still others may leverage their local presence and reputation to build trust and loyalty with their customers. Another possible strategy is to diversify and expand their offerings beyond PC support. For example, some small PC support businesses may branch out into web design, digital marketing, cybersecurity, or data analytics. Others may partner with other local businesses or organizations to provide complementary services or products. Still others may explore new opportunities in emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, or virtual reality. The bottom line is that small PC support businesses need to adapt and innovate in order to stay relevant and competitive in 2023. They need to find their unique value proposition and communicate it effectively to their target audience. They need to embrace change and learn new skills and tools. And they need to collaborate and network with other small PC support businesses and stakeholders to share best practices and resources. By doing so, they can turn the challenges of 2023 into opportunities for growth and success.